Welcome to stunning Laguna Beach, California. On this episode of the World Traveler's Guide, we're going to take you to many of Laguna Beach's 30 stunning beaches and coves. We'll show you the ins and outs of Laguna, how to get in, how to get out, insider tips, and we're going to show you just how beautiful this coastal city is. Main Beach is so centrally located, we can walk to Heisler Park, Las Brisas, and get a beautiful sunset view. Hotel Laguna right next to us, across the street to Nick's, the White House. We also have Thai Brothers and many different art galleries.